Hello everyone. So today is currently 7:10 in the morning. And actually kanina pa ako gising and also I have also packed my bags. Ayan. Pa talaga na-pack yung bag ko. And joke lang. Actually ngayon lang. And yeah, can't wait to go to the swimming later. And then we'll vlog our swimming day. Yeah, and also the activities that we will do. Stay tuned.
Hindi ko alam, parang nababasa din naman tayo.
Sobrang Latina sa babae. Napakaganda sa hitsura. Pres na pres tignan. Napakabango sa hitsura.
Yeah. Tara, alam na. Ito na siya.
Pag umahon ka naman sa pool, pag nag-swimming ka naman mawawala.
Louie. Yung iniisip mo. Recreate natin. Yun na rin may iniisip ka. Nakakatulala ka.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Some to the beat, and to the beat, some to the beat, some to the beat.
Tayo lang naglalak. Edit yan. Oo nga. Ayan guys yung buti.
Nag-review siya, sabi niya. Bakit dyan kayo meron dito?
Ano ba? Parang same lang naman sa buti. Hi guys. Swimming ka na.
Mas-masan yung ano.
Ganito, mga ganito. B sa Roblox. Tayo na lang natitira ba?
Tayo natin.
Kung saan?
Dapat kung...
May tae ba ito?
Start ulit.
Ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Baby, look me now. I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's sitting all over your place. Baby, I can see your halo. You're my saving grace. I can see your halo. Halo. I can see your halo. 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 I can see your halo. Halo.
So nice.
Hindi. Oh no. Videohan natin. Habang makakayo pa naman, buhay pa naman.
Ayaw na to.